looking at the mesh doesn't look too bad, so this is why we just put those lines on either side. That could be a little bit better, but you know what, I don't think we probably won't be recycling the mesh, so that's fine for me. I will though still clean it up a little bit. Vertices, I'm going to attach an array -5. Nope, here. -1, 5, and right click Z, rotate Z 90, and we can just bring it up, and obviously because it's on a driveway, let's just move it over a little bit, put this puppy in an array modify of 0 there, -1, and there we have it. There is the first bit. From here, what I would like to do is something I should have done earlier. So I did put that split in the wrong spot, and now it's going to cost me a little bit, but it shouldn't be anything too hard that we can't fix. So let's just cheat a little bit. We won't grab these. Come on. Size Z0. Remove doubles. Beautiful. So that still won't let me cut across, but that's fine. I should be able to... Nope, I won't be able to do that because that's got 5. Oops. Okay, now let's troubleshoot this. So if I delete faces, Control R, really? Oh, there we go. G, Z, select these two faces, F, remove doubles again, and hopefully that'll just bring everything together, and that would have been that vertex right there connected. Bam. Right. Face. 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 Yeah. I'll buy that for $1. I'll just lower that a little bit. So the reason for that is because I just wanted to emphasize this white wall a little bit. So I'm going to grab all of them there. Let's grab these. Sorry, let's go Control B just to create a little bit of a bevel, so that when I grab those files, it just comes out that little bit. Oops, that was a bit too much. Shift. Okay, beautiful. That's looking okay. That is looking okay. Bevel. Let's just add just a smidgen of a bevel. 0.02. 2. and that'll fix up that. Now if we attach smooth faces, because we've got the bevel, no, because we have the stuff that's not quads, it's going to cause a little bit of problems, but we might be able to get away with it. So I'm just going to go into cycles, render, lamp, let's just change that to the sun, use node sun, F12, what's going to happen, blown out, let's go to F12. So you can't really tell, which is nice, and especially once you get the textures on there, it's going to be even better. As we can see, what was the render time on that? Let me just transfer that back to GPU, F12. Not Control F12, just F12. What's that? 1.6 seconds to render. That's pretty good, but obviously we don't have the character involved yet. But small steps. I do like how that's turned out. While we're here, let's just create a roof. Now you're going to have to remember, we don't need to see the top of the roof. So even though we're at this angle, we could. Just for funsies we might. But we're not really going to see the roof anywhere. But just in case, on this building, we'll do it. So let's extrude X, extrude Z. So we're just going to use some creativity on this bit. That seems quite nice. I'm going to shift D. Let's bring that out. Extrude X. And we're just going to make a bit of a gutter. Extrude Z. And let's get rid of the faces we don't need. Delete faces. Control N. Oops. Control N. Oh, that didn't like that. Let's flip the normals back. So we're going to grab them too. Control B. Control B. And we could, let's just do it one more, just for Pete's sake. I believe that was not the top of the gutter, which is good. Control B. Beautiful. And now we've just created a gutter. What we will do though is, let's just create a small lip. Extrude X. Extrude Z. Size X. What on earth is that? Remove doubles. To me, that looks like Control N, Control N. There we go. So just the normals. Just we had a bit of a hissy fit there. Come on. Select them. Control L, and we've got everything selected. And lower the gutter. Let's just make this bit look a little bit prettier. Okay, and it does have a little bit of a border there. Yeah, let's create it just as just a bit of a flourish. Might as well just keep to the theme. I'm just going to grab that bit, Control D and Z, because I've already created almost what I want. Extrude Z, extrude X, GZ, extrude X, Control L. Okay. I'm gonna go, let's say, that seems like a good point. Right there. Pretty much where we had it, I think. Yeah. And what we'll do is we'll clear these. Delete faces. Capture that line. And I'm going to left click right there. We're going to spin 90 degrees. Minus 90 degrees. Extrude X. Spin again. Now it's 90 degrees. Extrude X. Okay, let's just bring the camera back a little bit. Rotate X. F12. That seems pretty good. I might leave it at that, and then we'll continue on probably with some more modeling in the next section. Probably just do a little bit to the roof, and then we're going to quickly texture it, and then we're just going to move on to the other buildings.